Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to encrypt a fixed data drive using BitLocker in Windows 11. So if you want to enable BitLocker on a fixed data drive, the process is very simple. To encrypt it, you have to right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to system, then storage. Under storage, click on advanced storage settings, then select disks and volumes. Now here select a disk which you want to encrypt, and BitLocker is not enabled already on that drive. So click on properties next to the disk or drive. In this example, we will encrypt F drive, which is the demo drive. In the next page, scroll down until you find BitLocker heading. You can see that status is not encrypted. This means BitLocker is not enabled on this drive. Simply click on turn on BitLocker option there. Now this will open to the BitLocker drive encryption under control panel, which may be directly available in the settings app in future. Okay, so click on turn on BitLocker option here for the fixed data drive. If you do not want to follow all of these process I have already shared, you can simply locate the drive in the file explorer under this PC and simply right click on it and select turn on BitLocker. This is an alternative option here. So irrespective of the turn on BitLocker option you choose in the control panel or in the file explorer, at the final this window opens BitLocker drive encryption wizard. Choose how you want to unlock this drive. Check the option depending upon your preferences. I will select the first option. To demonstrate, use a password to unlock the drive. Type in the password and confirm it. This password should be a mix of uppercase, lowercase letters along with numbers, spaces and symbols. Click next. Then you will be asked to save the recovery key. This is really important step because if you lose the recovery key, you will lose the drive. So make sure you save the recovery key to a very convenient place where you can retrieve it later. You have the option to save it to your Microsoft account, USB flash drive, file, or you can print the recovery key. In this example, I am saving this to a file, but make sure you always save the recovery key to any other drive and not in the present drive which you are already trying to encrypt. So I am placing this recovery key on the desktop for demonstration. Then click next. Under choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You can choose your preference, like you can encrypt only the used disk space. This would be a faster process, or you can also encrypt the entire drive. This is slower but best thing you can do with the BitLocker. So in this example, I will select encrypt entire drive. Click next. Then you will be asked which encryption mode you want to use. You can select the new encryption mode if you have most of your devices running Windows 10 and Windows 11. In case if you would use this drive on older operating systems such as Windows 7, Windows 8.1, then you can select compatible mode option. Otherwise, you can go with the new encryption mode option, which is best for Windows 11 devices. Click next. And finally, you would be asked whether you want to encrypt this drive. And here it is clearly mentioned that until the encryption is completed, your files won't be protected. So just make sure that you complete the encryption to let the files protected. So click on start encrypting. And here you can see that encryption process has been started. This may take a while to complete depending upon the drive size and the data present on that drive. And once the encryption is completed, you will see this message: encryption of app is completed. and you will see also the lock icon next to the drive. And you can go to the BitLocker drive encryption under control panel to manage the BitLocker settings for this drive. You can also turn on auto unlock for this drive if you like, and for that you would need the operating system drive to be encrypted first. I have already covered a video for this. You can check out that video on this card, and you can also turn off BitLocker from here for this drive if you like. So this is how you can encrypt a fixed data drive on Windows 11. That's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.